guys, so today we got a package sent to us from Ghostek. I believe it is their Rapture headphones, but we're gonna go ahead and check them out. These look pretty dope. If you guys want to go ahead and pick these up, use the link in the description down below. It does help the channel out. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and unbox this. Have the Rapture headphones by Ghostek. That's pretty dope. Also came in a little plastic bag. Okay, let's go ahead and take this plastic off now. So these are the Rapture headphones from Ghostek. I did speak to them at CES, so I did hit them up at their booth, and they did send me these out. Now this video is not sponsored. This is my authentic review, so guys do not, think I'm getting paid by them. They did send me these headphones, but I did not get paid from them. Alright guys, so the features we have on here is HD crystal clear sound, connection up to 30 feet, connect up to 2 devices, Bluetooth 4.1, so we do have Bluetooth 4.1 technology on here, one-step easy pairing, and we do have foldable headphones. So we have some instructions here, and they show you what they do. So number one, it says we have a soft protein leather headband and ear cups. So these are leather. For number two, we have a folding hinge for storage. So these are going to be easy to put in like a backpack or something else like that. We have multi-function buttons. We have volume up and down, obviously, in the pairing or turning on of the headphones. It says get social using the share me function to share your vibes as well. So you can also share your music that you're listening to with your friends. So it pairs up to 2 headphones, which I think is a pretty dope option. Now we do have LED power and battery level status as well, and that's going to be right under the volume up and down button and the pairing button. Now built-in HD mic for clear voice calls, so if you guys do want to call on here, you guys can use this for voice calls. We have a 3.5mm head jack for inline aux cable, so if these do run out of juice, you guys can always use that aux feature in here. Last but not least, we have 40mm advanced graphing speaker drivers inside of these. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Oh, nice. Wow. Whoa. Okay, so we get a leather case from Ghostek as well with that kind of velvet interior. That's dope, honestly. If you want to take a look at that. It's awesome. And we have the headphones as well. They do not feel cheap at all. They actually feel more expensive than Beats, but these feel nice. Now we do have a 3.5mm head jack if you guys do want to listen to it if these are dead, and we do have a micro USB that you guys can plug into a wall charger to charge your headphones. Also on the top we have the Ghostek emblem, looks pretty dope as well, and we have the little face right here we have for Ghostek, and these actually feel really nice. This is actual metal, so that's pretty dope right there. And yeah, let's go ahead and put these on and see how they sound. Rapture on, so we get that little boot up noise. It says Rapture on. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff to the side and get listening to these headphones. Now first impressions, these feel really nice around my ears. They took another approach with the square type headphone, which I actually like, and they feel really nice over the ear, and they feel really comfortable. The thing that I find with other headphones such as Beats and other headphones is that they cannot choose whether they're over ear or actually cupping your ear. They honestly, some are too small, some are too big, but these feel actually really nice, and I do like the approach that they took with the square design. Let's go ahead and connect these to Bluetooth and see how it sounds. Alright guys, so just for future reference, if you guys do have these headphones, if you guys want to pair these very easily, there is a pairing button separate to the volume up and down button right here, and this is supposed to be the power button as well, but these were pretty easy to actually set up, and let's go ahead and take a listen to these. Alright guys, so just listing these were actually very nice and crisp. That's the first thing I noticed, was how crisp these headphones actually were. Bass was actually pretty good as well. And I actually tried to talk right now, and while I was talking, I couldn't even hear my voice. So these are pretty much noise canceling headphones when you turn them up. But very, very nice headphones in my opinion. But we are going to take these to the streets, so we are going to get people's reactions out of these headphones, see how they stack up next to Beats and other headphones as well. But yeah, huge shout out to Ghostek for sending these out. I really do appreciate that. Your headphones are awesome. I really do love the approach you took on the design. Design feels so comfortable, starting from the headband up here with the cushion leather, and the cushion leather on each earmuff I think is a very, very great approach. Not a lot of headphone manufacturers actually pay attention to the comfort of the headphones, and I think these do deliver. Also, I just want to show you how easy you can put these into a bag. All you have to do is go like this, boom, and then you can put them inside of your leather case. It looks really dope actually in my opinion, and boom, there's your bag. Has that Ghostek emblem on it, and everything looks very, very nice and sleek. Pretty dope though. But yeah, if you want to pick up these are going to be in the description down below. Again, I do get a little kickback if you do use my link, so I will be very, very appreciative if you do use my link. Again, these are $125 on Amazon, so if you want to go ahead and pick these up, you can go ahead and do so. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the TechRight fam already. Hope you enjoyed this video. This has been TechRight. Peace out.